Okay, you guys, I'm going to give you the recipe that I use. Well, it's not really a recipe, it's just something I do. It's chicken and rice. I have a baked chicken, and we've ate off of it for supper last night. And so whatever's left, I chop it up, and I make my rice. I take 2 cups of rice, and I'm going to put it in this pan. Sometimes I use my iron skillet, but I think it's going to be a little much for it, so I'm using my electric skillet. And I just do the rice. I cook it until it's tender, and it takes about 30 minutes at boiling. And then I take it out. Of course, I rinse my rice before I cook it, and then I also rinse it after I cook it. So, and let's see, I put in, you can use olive oil. I've got some olive oil left, and it looks like it needs to be used, and I put some of that in there, but usually I use coconut oil, the kind that doesn't have that coconut taste. But I like coconut oil. I hear it's really good for you, so I just put in whatever is needed to get it to fry, and I fry my rice. And I've got a chopped up onion. You know, we're onion lovers, so we use quite a bit of onion. And you can, with the amount of rice that you have, you can measure it for yourself on how much onion you want to put in it. And I cut up my chicken, and I keep the juice from my baked chicken. When I put a chicken into bake, I use butter on it, and probably about a half to 3/4 of a stick of butter, and also a little water, and then just let it, I got like almost, 2 cups of juice here, which will really make this good, because I put garlic on it as well. And my husband has his own little recipe. It's something that you can use pretty much on anything. If you're barbecuing, or if you're making chicken, or if you're whatever. It has salt, pepper, cumin, garlic, paprika, and I think that's it. If it's not it, I'll put it in this one. I think I wrote it down last time I made it. If I can find it real quick. Well, seems like I came across it last time I opened this recipe thing, but I'm not finding it real quick here. Let's see. Oh well, that's basically what it is. Salt, pepper, garlic, paprika, cumin, and I think that's it. I think that's it. Alright, these are crumpling along. I love wooden spoons and stuff, so I always use wooden. And I kind of brown the bottom and it gets a little crunchy, and I kind of like it that way. Or you can just, so I put the onions in and a bag of peas. You have to have peas in your fried rice. We do anyway. But right now, I'm gonna shut you down for a minute because I'm gonna cut up the chicken, and I just cut it up and throw it in there, and I'll show you how to finish it up. I'll be right back. Okay, I deboned all my chicken, and a lot of times I just do it by hand, and then I pull it apart, and instead of cutting it, I cut a little bit here and there or something, but a lot of times I just pull it apart with my hands and throw it in here. And we kind of like to have a little bit of juice in our rice, but you may not. But I don't use, sometimes I use the whole thing. It takes the whole 2 cups of broth. And if you don't have broth with your chicken or anything like that, you can always use canned broth. But I like to use it right from the chicken. So, and then just let it simmer. That's all there is. And you can put other things in it too if you want. You know, you can put green peppers and whatever you like, you know. And as you're seasoning it, you can always take a bite and see if it tastes okay. If it doesn't, a little bit more in there. So that's it. And I'm going to give you the recipe, my recipe underneath there. And it's pretty much, I don't really measure anything out. I just take it and do it as it looks and how it tastes. And that's the way I cook most of the time. Alright, you guys, have a great day, and I hope you love this recipe. We do. It's simmering. Yum, yum. And everything is pretty much cooked in there now. But we could eat in like 10 minutes. I'll let it simmer some more. Have a great day, you guys. See you soon.